Well, this is the inside of the Hydromate. Basically, you just got to peel off this cover, and then there's like a little bit of tape here. And you just pierce that. Just use like a little tool, and you've got your motor pump with the insulation all the way around it, and then this is your control panel. So everything just fits back together pretty easily, it looks like. So I'm gonna give it a go and see if I can just open this sucker up. Just use this little tool here to kind of scrape away some of this, looks like caulking, just to kind of keep a seal in the event that there's some water leakage in here. I'm just gonna work on peeling this off. So I got that dislodged. Now I'm just gonna take off this screw, and it looks like this whole unit just pulls right out. So this is what we've got here. I had to take off that screw, and it dropped that little clamp there, which looks like it was holding on those two green wires. So now it's a matter of just getting this all apart and putting in the new board. Well, it took some fandangling, but I got the board out. Yeah, I would recommend taking a little video or some pictures of these different plugs and wires so you know where everything goes back in. These little things are a little bit tricky. You might have to squeeze them with some needle nose pliers so that the board will come out. There's two screws that go into here. They're rather long. That might hold you up if you don't recognize those have to come out. And yeah, I think at this point it's just a matter of putting everything back in and firing it up. So fingers crossed, let's see what happens. So we got her back together, and she's working. Prior, I guess it's worthy to mention that these two lights were flashing, as was this temperature. It was just kind of bouncing around all the different temperatures. The pump would short cycle, so it would just turn on, be on for a minute or two, then it would shut off, and this just continued on and on, progressively over time, getting worse. So yeah, overall, probably took me about an hour to get it all done, but saved some money. The card was about $300 from a local place here in Ontario. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box. I'd be happy to help. Good luck.